everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech World.
Hello everyone. Welcome back to Tech World. In today's tutorial episode I'm helping you learn how to log into Gap credit card account. Keep watching the video till the end to learn habit. Subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Start by clicking open a web browser. Soon after you do that, type in Gap credit card login in the search box and click on this link that you see. And once you do that, as soon as you receive the official website, sign in your account button and click on sign in. Once you do that, you'll be taken to a next page where you can log into your account by entering your credentials. Start by entering your user ID, the first text field, and move on to the next field and type in your password. If you want to double check a password before moving on, click on the show button and reveal your password. If you want the system to remember your ID, then click on remember use your ID, but if you're using a public or a shared device, make sure to turn this off. If you have all the information is correct, you can go and click on the secure login button, but in case you've forgotten your user ID, you can go and click on forgot my user ID link or click on the password link and follow the instructions to reset to a new password. If you don't have an account yet, then you can click on I want to register link or apply. Enter your informations and you'll be able to register to a new account first. After you're sure you've typed in all the credentials correct, click on secure login and you'll be logged into your account. That is how it is done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till